Bitcoin and the crypto markets, all markets, are getting ready to dump. I'm going to show you the Elliott Wave structure that is predicting this move, as well as the following move. It looks good, guys. Stick around. You're not going to want to miss this. This is Chart Junkies. My name is Alex. I'm an Elliott Wave trader. I use Elliott Wave theory to come up with high probability trades. If you don't know what Elliott Wave is, there's a link in the description below to my crash course video that'll get you up to speed. I'm also going to link it right here, and then at the end of the video if you want to watch it after this. Guys, I just started my free Discord. Check it out. It's free for now. There's no paywall. You're gonna get all of my trade setups. You're gonna get Elliott Wave setups real time. You're gonna get alerts. There's no one in here yet, so come on in so I can post some stuff. I got, profit from today. If people were in here, you would have hit this trade with me. So hop up in here. I'll answer all your questions. I'll teach you Elliott Wave in this thing, man. We got a community. Come on in before the paywall goes up and get it while you can. Let's get into the chart. Link for that's in the description below. Okay. Now, we had a nice move here today. I'm on the daily. We took out this liquidity. We took out this liquidity. It looks beautiful. Now, the question is, are we done or do we got higher to go? This right here, I'm looking at just a correction right here. I'm looking at this as an ending diagonal. I'm looking at this whole thing as an impulse. So we have a correction, and then I'm looking for another wave down. Now, with that being said, that's what looks good now. This could come down in 3 waves and then come back up, and you could have a WXY and then come down, right? So, we take these wave by wave. But right now, what looks good to me in the higher time frames is the best explanation for this junk, because it is junk, is that we're just going to call it an ABC. It came up to the 1-to-1. Keep it simple. Let's not get crazy with this. Came up to the 1-to-1 extension quite beautifully. Look at that. Exactly what we're looking for. We took out this liquidity. We retraced the initial impulse move to the 0.5 fib. I mean, it's just a beautiful spot. It was a beautiful spot to short. Another great spot to short is right at the 618 where all this junk is. I mean, it really is. It looks good. So if we keep coming up, I might even throw some more shorts in. If we get stopped out of this, I'm currently short right here, right at this 1-to-1. So let me zoom back out. When you pull the fibs on the initial move with the correction where we're sitting right now, you have a 1-to-1 at around 27,000. Are we going to come down this far? Who knows? Guys, you really need to pay attention to here. Everyone go on the daily time frame. Draw that right there. That's your trend line on the daily. If this breaks and holds, you can expect super pump. Okay? And it might even break the top. That's right. It can happen, guys. It can happen. And it would set up some nice divergence to really come down. I'm not even thinking that far ahead. I haven't even examined the charts like that. We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. What I'm looking at and what I'm going to stick with for now, guys, if you go to the 4-hour, look at this. There's extreme hidden bearish divergence. We made higher highs on the RSI. Look at that, higher highs, and look at how low we are in price. We are higher on the RSI. We are way lower in price. We're about halfway up where we need to be. retrace half. So you're at least looking at some type of a correction down to kind of settle the RSI. So it's a good short either way. You might not get this nice move that I'm looking for, but it's a good short either way. We'll see how it progresses. Going into the smaller time frames here. I mean, that looks great for an impulse. I'm expecting a move like this. Just a simple ABC, and then we'll see if we can get a push down. So I'd be waiting for this to correct, take out liquidity up here, maybe come halfway, and then come down. So maybe look to short around 29, 930, 950. We'll see if you get it. It's a pretty good short to take, guys. I'm just saying. Let's look at Ethereum. Now, Ethereum looks a lot more clean to me. It looks way more aesthetic. You got just a nice flat there. It's just nice. It looks way better. Your ending diagonal looks fine here. Right? So, Ethereum looks like the same thing. What else can we look at? DXY. Bitcoin's traded against the dollar. Yeah, guys, I mean, if you remember back when we dumped down to here, I told everyone to watch out for either this being a flat or some type of big time flat like that. I told everyone to watch out for that. And everyone thought we were going to just start cranking down. No, that's not how this game's played. You watch these charts long enough, you know, you have a gut feeling as to what's going to happen. So, to recap, Bitcoin, I'm expecting to start trending downward here. It's trending downward. I'm looking to hit off of this trend line. Give me the straight. Everyone's drawing this trend line. I already know they are. Hit off the trend line. Maybe bounce here. Okay. So there's your ABC. Come up and you have a larger ABC. You have a flat here. And then what you would have is a correction, a flat here, take out this liquidity, and then you can go up for one more. So you would have boom, boom, boom. Go up to hit these 40K levels, but not without taking out these 20K levels first down here, all right? That's higher time frame stuff. I've covered that in my previous videos. I'm going to post my higher time frame analysis in the Discord. Again, it's linked in the description. I'll see everyone in there. Please join up. Let's get this shit popping. I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next video. Love ya. Bye.